Healthy and tasty mango curd chutney. 1 raw mango, chopped into cubes. Curd, coconut grated, coconut oil, salt to taste, red chillies and curry leaves, mustard seeds. Coarsely grind mustard seeds, red chillies and salt together in a mixer grinder. Add salt to taste. Add the coconut and cut mango, blend. Add the curd and blend well to a smooth consistency. Heat a small pan over high heat. Add the coconut oil. Once the oil is hot but not smoking, add the remaining mustard seeds. Once they begin to splutter, add the curry leaves and cook just until blistered. Add the tempering to the chutney, mix well and serve. The healthy and tasty mango curd chutney is ready.